Hello everybody, this is Makeup by Earn, repping from H-Town. As you can tell from my title, I did say something about Rockets makeup or whatever. Yes, I'm doing an inspired look for the Rockets. As you can tell, they are almost to the finals, and we are gonna get to the finals. I pray to God we do, because that'll be a first, and that's gonna be crazy, because you know the Astros won last year, and if the Rockets win this year, y'all, we're gonna do good. We're gonna do really good. So that's gonna be the look for today. We're gonna do a Rockets look. As you can tell, I'm rocking the red because I don't have a Rockets shirt. Shame on my name, right? My boyfriend's been talking to me about basketball and basketball players, so you know I'm not that into sports, but I'm learning. This should have been done a long time ago, but I'm learning. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the makeup tutorial, and I really hope y'all enjoy. Before we start, make sure you subscribe. If you have any suggestions or questions, there's a comment box right below this little video, so drop your little comments if you need to, and make sure you like I said, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay guys? Alright, so we're gonna get into this makeup tutorial. Oh, by the way, I'm not gonna show how I did my face routine, but I just bought my new Lancome foundation, and I cannot wait to do a video and a review on this because it is beautiful. It's a great finish. Oh, okay, I'm talking too much. I'm gonna get into it now, so I hope you guys enjoy. So for the last couple of videos, you've seen that I've used my Morphe P palette. Morphe 12P palette. We're gonna go in with the red. We're gonna go in with red and black in my crease, but first we're gonna go in with the red. So we're gonna go with black now because we're going to form our cut crease. So gotta build that color and then cut it out so it can make it a cut crease. Now that I got my two colors blended out, as you can tell, the red is up here, the black is right here. We're gonna form my cut crease now. We're gonna go back in with my NYX eyeshadow base, and we're gonna make a defined line. We're gonna make it so perfect, y'all. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look real good. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it right now. We're about to do it right now, y'all. We about to do it. I am literally holding my breath doing this. Okay, let's get back into it. So now that we have my line traced out, we're gonna go over my eye and put some black so that it's even more defined. so now that I've traced it out, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with this tapered blending brush. Okay, so now that we got the crease all fixed up and done up and looking good, we're gonna go in with the white on my eyelid. Gosh, oh my gosh. All right, so now we can clean up the extra residue, make that little sharp line. Okay, so we're done with that part. Now we're gonna go on with my eyeliner. You know, the eyeliner, the mascara, the eyelashes. We're gonna go through all that whole shebang. We're gonna do all that. This is a lot of work, but it's worth it. It's worth it. So I know this is gonna be kind of ratchet, but it's okay because, you know, we're all family here, we're all friends. So I'm about to go in with my faux mink lashes, my Ardell faux mink lashes. Yeah, I already used them, but we're gonna use them again because, you know, usually people show their stuff and it's all neat. This wasn't neat, but it's okay because y'all are watching, so obviously it is okay. All right, so we're letting the second ones dry, and I'm starting to realize, like, I might need to branch out a little bit more with these lashes, like I said in my that blueberry makeup look. Yeah, because I mean, Ardell is cool, so is the lashes at the beauty supply store, but I don't know, I want to try a new brand, like with all the stuff I've been trying lately, like my primer and my foundation and everything. I want to know how the lashes look on me. I want to know how good they work. Okay, I want lashes that are gonna just at you when I need them to. I honestly should go out like this, you know, or I should do this makeup look when we do win the finals. wow, I'm done with my eye look. Okay, so I'm gonna come back after the face and everything, and I'm gonna do my, you know, bye-bye and all that. But I'm not gonna show y'all my face and, you know, how I do my face, because I do that every video. But I do want to show y'all the primer that I use. It's the Too Faced Hangover Primer. It is extremely hydrating, and you know, you can never go wrong with hydrating, like, because you know, it's the summertime, and it's great looking matte, but you're gonna look matte regardless if you do it not the right way, but the matte way. So, and also in the summertime, if you want to stay matte, if you want to soak up all that moisture, put your setting powder on first. That's what Jackie Anna taught us. That's what Alyssa Ashley taught me. I'm going by that. So yeah, I'm not gonna show y'all my face. I'm gonna show that maybe in another video, just so we can save some time. And then we're gonna go ahead and go with my Drop Dead Red, because this is the only red that I really feel comfortable in. So we're gonna put that on. Alrighty guys, and here's your finished look. Let me get up close so y'all can see my cut crease, y'all, because I did that. I did it. It's done. I was so excited to do this look. And also because I know the Rockets are gonna win. And even if they don't, they did amazing. So please make sure to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, comment, because, you know, I need all of that, you know, just so that my videos can be seen and whatnot. If you have any questions, like I said in the beginning of my video, list them in the comment box. If you have any suggestions, or if you have any looks that you want me to do, please let me know, because I will do it. It's time for me to get out of my comfort zone. That's why I'm doing this, because I've never done a white eyelid before. This is wild. But there's this YouTuber that I watch, and her name is Princess B, I want to say. Princess BB. I forgot her name, but I was watching her and I subscribed to her, and she really inspired me to really just get out there and stop being afraid of color. So next video, which probably will be the Looney Tunes one, well, next, because the next one is most likely going to be the foundation that I did for this, the face routine I did for this look. So yeah, hope y'all really like this look. Make sure, like I said the first 2 times, subscribe. If y'all haven't gotten the hint, I want y'all to subscribe. I'm so happy I did this look. Like, this was the look that I had. This is the look I imaged in my head, and I'm so excited. And actually, my mom was the one that suggested this look. Why not do a makeup look for the Houston Rockets, because they're doing so great. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, thanks for being a supporter, and I will see y'all on my next video. Peace.